Today's video will guide you on how to freeze a row or colon in Google Sheets. To start, open up your Google Sheets data. Now, you select the row or colon you want to freeze. So, let's freeze up to this. Then, you click on the Views tab at the top of the screen and you select the freeze option. You can choose to freeze a row or a colon. So, you can choose to freeze one row or up to the selected rows. Now you see the borderline has been drawn to the sixth numbers you've selected. To freeze a colon, the same method, the Views tab, freeze, and up to colon D. So, cells or data in these cells have been freezed. So, that is how you freeze a row or colon in your Google Sheets. Please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more content. Bye guys, see you in the next video.